All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018, that's right folks, the 2018 Ram ProMaster 1500 with 6,000 miles, AM, FM stereo system. You got steering wheel controls, you got backup camera, super nice. Best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks nice. Your front hood looks good. You see a little chippy there and one there. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel, or front driver steel wheel. Tire thread here is over 10-30 seconds. This entire quarter looks fantabulous. Here's your rear driver side steel wheel. And your tire thread is over 13-30 seconds. Everything looks good. You get your AM, FM. I'm sorry, what am I talking about? You get your power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a vinyl seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with two key fob combos and owner's manual still wrapped up. Obviously your AM, FM stereo system right here. You got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 6,874. Pretty much completes the tour. Oh, I got a good backup camera. Boom. Got a backup camera on this one. Alright. Keep it moving, keep the lights on. Coming around. Rear bumper looks good. This looks good. That's your camera up there. Boom. Don't know why they have such a huge camera thing there. But they have it. Alright. This is what your cargo space looks like back here. Boom. Very nice. Your wheel well moldings look good. Alright. This door looks good. Molding looks good. Normally these moldings are all beat up and stuff like that, but on this particular truck, it is not like that. Here, likewise, looks good. This quarter here looks nice. Here's your rear passenger side steel wheel. Your tire thread here is over 10-30 seconds. This sliding door looks fantabulous. This is what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Look at that floor, nice and clean. Very, very nice. Has some scratches and stuff like that, but clean. This door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. The tire thread is at 10-30 seconds. Lights are working all around, folks. This is effing nice. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the 2018 Ram ProMaster 1500 with 6,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.